Alright everyone, so I've noticed that because the wretch tends to hide off screen, which I'm fine with, he tends to die off screen as well, which I'm not. So what's happening is, when I hit the wretch, he lies down off screen and then his spirit goes up into the sky off screen and all that work we just did is wasted. So what I want to do is I want to make him crawl back onto the screen before he collapses in a heap and then his spirit goes to the sky. So what I'm going to do is, well, firstly, I've uploaded some new costumes. Now, you won't have to do this. They'll already be built into the sprite, but I had to do it because I wasn't anticipating this. And so now we've got these crawling sprites, crawling costumes. And so I want to create, this is within Spirit, I want to create a new block. I'm going to call it Crawl. And then Crawl is basically going to get the wretch to crawl onto the center of the screen, and then he's going to lie down and do his performance. So I think I'm just going to have him point towards the wizard, because I'm going to assume that the wizard is on screen. Occasionally that will be false, but I don't care if occasionally he dies off screen. I'm really bugged about him doing it all the time. So point towards wizard, and then let's do a control repeat. I'm going to put 2 in here. Hopefully that'll be enough. And then I'm going to create another block. I'm going to call it Animate Crawl. And so Animate Crawl is going to go through the sequence of costumes just once. And then if you need him to crawl some more, you repeat it. So we're going to do it twice. So Animate Crawl comes in here. Now we're finished with this. We need to just do the Animate Crawl. So I'm going to switch the costume to the first of the crawling costumes. That's this one. And then there's a lot of crawling costumes. I got the AI to create a little animation. And then I just broke it down into individual frames. So there ended up being quite a lot. There's actually 20. So I'm going to repeat 19 times because I'm already on 1. So I've got 19 more to get to 20. So control, repeat 19 times. Next costume. And each time he moves through a costume, I'm going to have him move a little bit. So just move 1 step because he's only crawling. Don't want to move too fast. Okay, and then finally I need to put this in somewhere. I need to call the crawl block. So I'm going to put this after he's gone to the wretch. We're going to crawl, and then let's see how that works.
Ouch!
Okay, he's not quite crawling back on screen, so I'm going to up the number of repetitions of this.
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Okay, I think I need to adjust the sizes a little bit on the graphics, but other than that, I quite like it. The graphics should be good by the time you get them, but you know how to adjust them if they're not. Okay, I think that's that, and I will see you in the next video.